Osofo ya wo hwe kire se Defense Minister Dr. Atoforsen se ne nhwehwemu ekoso arahosam ne brichire bomban enrada bra emabunu se wo mo ekọ na clinicals se bekoyi ama wo ma yebefa wo mo wasre adwuma ne mu no enipa nsia na afiri mu ama meka se dodo no so epra kase no etwaso.
Acting Defense Minister Dr. Kasee Atoforsen enam enradare wosama esiye namsoma nipa ensia wonu nyati nananom ensiedo enti okopie mu mrache bedwafia wode anodisem ekotudwa edifa oyina ebo manyi ewo Elwak Stadium honomo ewo soafo nkasa mu no dotudwa se ni wonomo ahye Ghana Armed Forces se recruitment dwumedi ekoso won kramanti mu hano wonomo ntwentwen so mu ni nhwehwemu emfamfane a enra esiye.
The Speaker, in light of this development, the Ministry of Defense has halted the recruitment process in Accra until further notice. I wish to assure honorable members that in all other regions, the exercise is progressing smoothly and without incident. Right, Honorable Speaker, the Ministry of Defense deeply mourns the loss of life and extends condolences to the affected families. We are working closely with the Ghana Armed Forces, medical teams, and law enforcement agencies to provide full support to the injured and to investigate the circumstances that led to this tragedy.
Eho ena enrashibeje need mo manfo bosome frɛ ho na na sakeje enso edin sem we see etudwa.
That a lot of us have spoken on this matter, and I believe that it is time that our planning processes change for the recruitment of our young men into the national and the Ghana Armed Forces. Mr. Speaker, this is not the first time we've heard of stampedes for this recruitment, and this one is a turning point. Mr. Speaker, I believe that, like Honorable President said, it is time that we decentralize to the grassroots, all the way to the constituencies. Mr. Speaker, this business of registration, all are new, all the time, should also stop. I believe that when people get into the system and they are qualified, we should have a gradual process of recruiting them over time.